What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to create a poll on YouTube. So first things first, in order to create a poll on YouTube, you need access to your community tab and you need access to the create a post option in YouTube Studio. So how to get this, I did some digging, is you need to have over 500 subscribers to have community posts. And after the 500 subs, that is when you will get like 1 week and then you'll get access to this community tab. So that is how you get access to this. I just got this recently. I got 569 subs right now, so I didn't even know I had this until like a couple days ago where I noticed this option here. But yeah, so now I'm going to get into how to create a poll. So just go to YouTube Studio. Pretty simple. Just go up here on your channel icon and then click on YouTube Studio. So it's just going to bring you here, and then you'll have the option to create a post. So this will just bring you to your community tab here and your channel, and now you have the option to create a poll, post a video, or post an image. But this video I just want to show off the poll, so I'm going to click here and type in "this is my first poll." All right, now let's do something. What do you prefer? iPhone, Android, add another option. I don't know what other option. Windows Phone. Okay, and now I'm gonna click post. So now I'm gonna see what my community prefers. What do you prefer? iPhone, Android, Windows Phone? You can like this now. You can add a comment to this, and you can also vote. So I'm gonna. Oh wait, I can't vote on my own thing. Okay, I guess you can't vote on your own thing, but if you're a subscriber to this channel, like if you have another channel that's subscribed to your channel, you can vote on this if you really want to. Yeah, so that's how you create a poll on YouTube. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.